In this video, I'm going to show you how to journal in Notion. So as you know, Notion is an all-in-one productivity organization tool that combines features such as note-taking, journaling, task management, databases, and collaboration features all in one workspace. So in here, to do journaling, after successfully accessing the homepage of your selected workspace, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the menu navigation on the left sidebar of the screen. And as you can see in here, under private section, we have journal. When you click on journal, this will then direct you to a place wherein this will allow the user to take notes. But this one, the difference is that it is organized on a specific date only. So let's say, for example, today is October 20. We simply click the add journal entry in here. And this is today now. Then you add the title in here. And you simply delete the sample text. And you start putting your journal in here. After that, on the next day, you can simply add another one. And this will be compiled as a daily journal based on the regularity of your journaling. And that's about it. That's how to journal in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.